لو تخينا متس كنو فلنا فريه بالناس نتبع لنا سبشي أكبر يحق فرح يجي سبزي عم فندر عيد الفقر تدشر كهذا العطية خيرا You got 5 minutes. Close. برجعنا حمودو كم أخل جنبار تورنتو حجها وفرنا حرنت بزبلتي ما عايزو ني شاراتن هوتيل بقول وجن عتي ولا أي تخوننا ولا الله
Okay,
you're on camera video, guys. You guys are on audio video, just so you know. Okay?
She hit me yesterday. I want to talk to her.
No.
She hit me yesterday.
No.
Okay, go that side. I saw you on the news. Yeah, I saw you on the news. Okay. You're a good guy.
I'm not a good guy. She hit me in the face yesterday. She hit me in the face yesterday.
On your side.
زيهم تمالي رفيج حاتيتهم دموت سباتهم حجي ما عبزي سابورت قبر له لوك زيهم شيم زغون سباتهم ريبورت قبوريو جيلاتات تقدر تمال متي خاسي كومو تقبل تمال ريفيجي وين كامتي خا ريفيجي وين كاتمال متي خا I reported you
دكرين يسارينو دكرين يسارين كابالا أفتح كده هو يجي تحسوي أنت حسوي
Don't touch him.
Yeah, no, you're going to take a picture.
Let's go! Somebody's Good job, guys!
Yeah!
He's disrupting our peace. He just got into the middle of us.
دقفت تقرف تمالي سمالو عندكم اسمعتم سلام فوتو تجامل نفس السايد نبغى تجامل عاد سبورت تقبل قرب ما نسين بها جيم سبورت نديكتاتر تمال لمن كامتي هامش تمال لمن كامتيهم شيم اون يو ريبورت ترعنا زيهم كياتو تمليسهم الله
نسخهم بيت البوليس لحد بالكم بتعرفوا يدريكم ليسا ياسكتكم انت بلعتي
كلام تسلالا
قايد تنتفاد لك قال له
قايد ابو جباج وتزمم ونزوحها انا بحر
عايز اخلي نوية عايز اخلي
صعدوا غي ترفا فريد انهم يلا بلوهم الله. Good job guys.
Never commit a crime. Today I am out here to speak for my family, for my people. They're dying, they're being murdered, raped by this leader. This dictator is destroying my election, my election. And you are the feeling to dance our sisters. That is one, a murder, and you are a murder. You supporting a criminal. I'm asking you today, shout out, you have a blood in your hand by supporting the dictator. Every dollar you connect tonight, it's a life lost in Eritrea. When you connect 1,000 life is lost in Eritrea. You make it 2,000 life is lost in Eritrea. Today, we're not aggressive. We know the police thinks we're aggressive. We're not aggressive. We don't like fight. None of those young guys have a criminal record. Today, we're just here to be a voice for the voiceless, for our people, for my mama, my dad, my brother, my sister, my uncle, my niece, my nephew. We're not here to fight the cops. The cops are keeping safe. What I'm asking is shame to these so-called Eritreans. The family of the dictator, they're dressing up today, spending money to collect money for him, to give their own children, to give their own cousins, their own uncles. I don't understand why would somebody wanted to vanish from this world. What did Eritrean children do to the world? Why would Sheraton be a part of it? Why would Sheraton be the supporter for genocide? Stop supporting genocide, Sheraton, because Eritrea, it's hell for my people. I don't know how hell is it, but the way I was taught, hell is hell. So my people live in hell. So us stop this event to support our people, be on the side of the innocent children and boys and girls. For you to collect money today, how will you go home, tell your wife and children, I make money today, business was good. No, that's not good. Tell your wife and children, we were busy collecting money to kill the Eritrean children, to arrest the Eritrean young boys and girls.
Support the dictator!
Sheraton! have a blood on your hand when you collect money for the dictators.
Shame on you.
Shout out the police. We have to call over the road.
يلا